Ford is in reality a major player in the Chinese market. Given that a family vehicle is regarded favorably in the Chinese auto industry, Ford is getting ready to introduce the most recent Ford Edge L there. The 2023 Ford Edge L has the following dimensions: 5000mm long, 1961mm wide, 1773mm tall and 2950mm wheelbase. The Ford Edge L features a striking front grille effect created by a wide LED strip connected to the daytime running lights. Additionally, the vehicle includes pop-out door handles and a distinct belt line that ascends sharply before the C-pillar and descends gradually after it. The transition from the C to D pillars is particularly unique, with the C-pillar featuring an L logo. The new Ford Edge L also boasts a trendy floating roof design with the top half of the body finished in black and the front light signature repeated at the rear with prominent edge lettering beneath the blue oval. The 2023 Ford Edge L's interior includes a sizable 27-inch touchscreen that extends from the middle of the dashboard to the passenger side. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster also welcomes the driver. Less buttons are used because displays are used for the majority of the controls. The space between the front seats is made available by floating center console. There are two different seating arrangements for the Edge L. While more opulent variants may accommodate 7 guests, lower spec vehicles can accommodate 8. Due to the middle row's inclusion of individual power-operated captain chairs, unique center storage bins and dual wireless chargers in the higher spec models, this is the case for the 7-seater model. 7-seat Edge L has two powertrain options. The base motor, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder making 249 horsepower and 279 pound-feet of torque. The premium option is an e-hybrid making a combined 271 horsepower and 299 pound-feet. Both shift through a traditional automatic no eCVT here and come with all-wheel drive. The non-hybrid 2024 Edge L is set to be reaching Chinese showrooms in April, the hybrid hitting lots about 3 months later. The public could get in an in-person viewing at Auto Shanghai in April.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create